Hi all, let's make an easy cheerleading pom pom using a plastic carry bag. Take a clean plastic carry bag. Cut off the bottom and the handle portion. Open the folded ends on both sides. Now fold the plastic bag neatly, both widthwise and lengthwise. Staple it to hold all the layers in place. Carefully cut the folded plastic into thin fringes, leaving space near the top. Remove the staple pin and gently open the fringes. This step helps make the pom-pom fluffy without the fringes sticking together. Fold it back carefully once again. Secure the top firmly using a stapler. Take a discarded sketch pen or pen body to use as the handle. Wind the plastic fringes tightly around the pen, applying glue in between. Add more plastic fringes if you want the pom-pom to look extra fluffy. Wrap masking tape around the top and the pen for a secure and neat finish. And your DIY cheerleading pom-pom using a plastic carry bag is ready. Try this easy waste to best craft and help reduce plastic waste creatively. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIY craft ideas.